After years of attempting dropshipping and getting no sales, to be honest, me and my friend made the perfect website with the golden product. We made the perfect converting landing page, jacked up all the social media, and we were so confident in this website that we took it straight to Facebook ads and we got no sales. So we decided to take it to Google ads and then, well, we got no sales again. We even tried to do TikTok organic on it, which is what everyone seems to be talking about nowadays, and still we got nowhere. But we didn't give up because we were so confident in the product and how good we made the website. We decided to take it to a website called Kijiji. Within the first week on Kijiji, we managed to go from 0 to 8,000 in sales, just like that. Now, if you guys don't know what Kijiji is, it's a secondhand marketplace which allows you to post ads for free. A secondhand marketplace is where you could go to sell, maybe your old AirPods or even a chicken. That's why it's completely free to post ads on here. And basically what we did was we came in between all of these natural ads that people are posting and we threw in our own e-com store. You can see here, you can literally click on any single niche you want, like outdoor gardening, and you'll see that in outdoor gardening there's hundreds of people every single day posting their own ads. We have a post from 7 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. Real people trying to sell their stuff secondhand to other people. But what we did was, for example, find a good product with a really good intriguing price that we could undercut the entire market, and then come in between all of these real people who are trying to resell their old stuff, and then we would post an ad for our own dropshipping business. For example, right here, magma resistance bands. We would get it nice and branded like magma, and then we would link our website in the description, as you can see right here, magmafitness.ca. And Kijiji actually also has an option where you can link the website on the ad itself, and people would basically come and click on this link and then go to our website, and we'd have a nice converting landing page. Now, this isn't our ad, obviously. I'm not going to show you guys our product because you guys are going to go copy the exact same thing and do exactly what I'm doing. What I want you guys to do is to go find your own products to use using this method. There's literally so much room for so many different products to be making money here. But yeah, you can see here in our store analytics, we got almost 1,000 sessions within the first week we started, and we went all the way to 8,000 in sales. And you can see here that our online store sessions by traffic source, we had some from social, some from search. These were just natural. We really had nothing to do with them. And then you can see that most of them were from direct. So this direct source is Kijiji right here, this classified ads website, which literally allows you to advertise your store for free. And it actually scales to crazy numbers. And there's so many unsaturated products using this classified ads website, and there's very few people actually doing this. I've seen very few other Shopify e-commerce stores actually posting and taking advantage of this, but it's basically like a life hack, because these websites that have, if I just pull out the website analyzer, you can see Kijiji has 50 million visits a month. So that's 50 million people that you can advertise to for free. And the craziest part is Kijiji isn't the only website. We have Gumtree for classified ads. We have OfferUp. We have Facebook Marketplace for classified ads, secondhand selling. And you even have Craigslist for secondhand selling, which all of these websites are just like Kijiji. And you can even see that some of them, like Craigslist, are getting 300 million visits a month. So if you guys want me to make a video, make more videos on this and explain this method further to you guys, and exactly how we do it to optimize it properly, make sure to leave a like and leave a comment down below, and also subscribe, guys. I'm going to be posting new content regularly. Maybe I'll even reveal this product at the end of this month if enough people ask for it. I think dropshipping is truly amazing, and yeah, if you do too, be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.